Hi, today we have a new lesson, the main interface of Blender. This is the main interface of the program. Some of the options and features may be useful to you while designing. From here are the design options for the object. The position of the object can be changed from here. You can view the object's attributes from here. First, delete everything. Create a new object from here. Choose the look you want. Draw the shape. The other way. Click Ctrl-A on the keyboard. Choose the look you want. From here you can zoom in or out. Or from here. Choose edit points from here. Choose the width of the face. Right-click and click here. Select the faces. If you want to select more than one, press Shift on your keyboard. Lift faces. The shape is not appropriate. It's easy. Just press the letter E. The shape is very suitable. Now it's color. Click New. Click on the contrast. From here, choose the appropriate color. Now I want to color this area. Choose Show Points. Select faces. Press Ctrl. Create a new texture. Choose the interior color. Oh my God, the color won't change. Select the faces again. Click Apply here. Good. Rotate the shape from here. Move the shape from here. Here are all the characteristics. This does nothing. This is where the form is produced. If moved, it produces the form in that area. This is to move the eye. This is to expand the area. This is to move the screen. When adding the camera, clicking this icon will display what the camera sees. Now we register the shape. Click on the object. Right-click the object. Choose any movement. Anytime you want to stop moving. Move it now to be registered. Do the same previous steps. Now a temporary job. If you move away the yellow dot, the speed of the object slows down and vice versa. From here you can increase the seconds for the time, hence the time to start. Counter arrival time. If you want to select more than one face, click here all the time. Select now. Now let's design the island. Save the image. Drag the image here. Plug it in. Now the color. Thanks for watching. We meet in the second part.